into take, rock.
Today is a momentous day for Greenland. As an island nation, air transport is our lifeline, essential every single day to keep our country connected. From north to south, east to west, in moments of both joy and sorrow, it is our duty and our privilege to unite people and lift Greenland. This connection is far more than a technical necessity. It is the heartbeat of our society, sustaining everything that we hold dear. The history of aviation is a story of innovation and progress. From the early days of helicopter flights to the Dash 7 and later the more modern Dash 8, we now embrace the next chapter with the A330-900. What once took 2 weeks to accomplish was reduced to days and now to mere hours. This is the rhythm of advancement and the rhythm of the future. This milestone has profound implications for our domestic connectivity as well. Starting today, it will be possible to fly from Ubonnevik in the north at 9:20 a.m. and land in Raudter in the south by 4:30 p.m. Or you could travel from Tuukkaq in the east in the morning and arrive in Uummannaq in the northwest by afternoon. Or journey from Nuuk to London within a single day. The new airport is much more than an improvement in infrastructure. It symbolizes a new era and serves as a bridge to the future of Greenland, which we are thrilled to inaugurate today in Nuuk. We are approaching Nuuk, where we are all part of writing history as passengers on the very first direct commercial transatlantic flight to our capital. First and foremost, I want to extend a huge congratulations to Greenland Airports on the beautiful new airport. You should be proud, and we are already thrilled to have it. I hope that you've all had a pleasant flight and will enjoy the final leg of this journey. This is a momentous occasion, and I can confidently say that many of the city's residents will be there to greet us. So don't forget to wave to the crowd.